Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra, but you can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you'll find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. Please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below. So excited to be doing this video. I took a break from Vlogmas to record this because my Jaclyn Hill stuff finally came in. I only had to wait about 6 days, but it felt like forever. So I wanted to hurry up and bust this video out for you and give my review on that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. I do have the packaging here. I just wanted to show you exactly how it came into the box. Her boxes are really cute. It says like Jaclyn on the top, Flare palette, highlight palette, and I got the loose highlighter in the color Megawatt. So it's like the darkest one she had. Comes with a card. You're looking at an original. Our accent light highlighters are made using a proprietary filling process that creates unique one-of-a-kind patterns in every pan. This is no ordinary highlighter palette. It's a work of art. That's cute. So this is like kind of heavy, so that's nice. Ooh, okay, mirror. I always appreciate any palette that has a mirror. To have that for a highlighter palette doesn't happen too often, so definitely appreciating that. These like kind of like sit up, so that's pretty cool. You're getting a lot for the product. I mean, it's $49, girl. Okay. And I also got the loose powder. Again, I got the Megawatt, so let's just look at that. I like the packaging in general. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Kylie's, but so most of my face is pretty much finished. I have on blush. I don't have my highlight on, and I don't have my eye makeup done because I wanted to do all of that right now. So first thing I'm gonna do is actually swatches of this. We gonna see. I'm gonna start with the glowed up. It's the lightest color here. Ooh, ooh, okay. Wow, these are actually super creamy. Super creamy. A little impressed. Let's go with Made You Look. Whoa. This formula is so interesting. It's like velvety, but then like creamy and not like super dry. You know, sometimes they can be dry. Wow. Alright, so these are the 4 colors. I'm so impressed right now. I wasn't expecting this much payout in color. Like, you actually kind of will have to be careful with this because, yeah, you can, these almost look like eyeshadows, but they're supposed to be highlights. So, this is the Megawatt. Okay, that's beautiful. Wow. So I changed my mind. I was going to use this loose powder as an eyeshadow, but I think I'm going to use like these 2 colors as eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this one as my highlight. I would even use this one too. I love this, but I'm wearing black today, so I think staying in the golder tones. Maybe I can put this in my inner corner. I'm going to try to do a whole look with this palette. I'm going to take a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to go in with Made You Look, which is that gold color. And the only reason why I thought to use this as an eyeshadow is because she actually said that she did that for like the darker colors. And like obviously it's a highlight, so I'm not expecting it to do like the same stuff. But I want just like a shimmery look. Some of the continuous setting spray, and I'm just gonna literally spray this brush really quick. Then I'm gonna go in with exposure with a little wetness and just see what happens there. A little bit of fallout, but it's not like anything like out of the ordinary. This is just my way of being able to see all of the colors like full use on my skin. That is really pretty. I really like. Again, these are highlighters, not eyeshadows. I'm just using them as that. And you get a lot of color. So as a highlighter, even better. I'm going to take that 441 brush again. I'm just going to... Ooh. Y'all, as a highlighter, you gotta be careful. These have a lot of color. Wow. Let me put a little bit of the major look like on top just to tone it down a bit. Wow, okay, it's not toning down, it's getting brighter. Now I'm gonna go in with the loose powder. I'm a little nervous. And I'm gonna hit those cheeks up. Ooh. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, this is crazy. Wow, I'm really just thoroughly impressed. Like, I still don't know if it's worth $24. Like, the price point is a little high, no matter what, because I went in like, how many ounces do you get of this? 0.14 ounces or 4 grams. So 24 is a little high, but I guess it'll go a long way because of how pigmented it is. Like, I'm looking at my mirror behind and I'm like brightly shining. This just doesn't happen regularly. Like, this is something, you know, sometimes if you like put on a little bit too much, you're like, oop, but it's okay because it's not that bright. That's not gonna happen here. Like, if you put on too much, it's gonna be too much. So final thoughts on this product. I think that it is, I would give it an A on this. I would give it an A plus if it wasn't $49. But if it was in a $39 range, I definitely would give it an A plus. But this is an A. Honestly though, you're going to get a lot for your money in terms of how long you're going to be able to use this for, because it is so pigmented. It is quality packaging. You get a very hefty big mirror, which is a big deal for me. Having a mirror on a highlighter is insane to me. Like, that's probably where the money came from, honestly, and it's a huge mirror at that. Very little fallout. I feel like what I have on here is pretty standard for any type of makeup that you're using. I also really love this too. Like, I can see myself wearing this very often and pulling this out. But what I'm saying is, if you wanted to get more bang for your buck, this is definitely where it's at, because this is $24 just for one single color. So this is definitely 100% brown and black girl approved. I appreciate it. I see ash wear, I don't see it. Like, there's none. This would work for me in the summer and now. So this is probably the best highlighter I've used in a while. The formula is, she took her time with the formula, and I really like the formula. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on this video. We stand this, Jaclyn. I'm here for you, and I'm glad that you've redeemed yourself, because this is top notch. This is what we wanted, all right? This is what the girls wanted for real. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.